Welcome to Mercy's Senior Kitchen. I'm going to cook some barbecue pigtail for Brittany. She reached out to me to cook it for her, and I'm going to cook it. I'm going to show you, Brittany, how to cook it. And when you cook it, you're not going to want to stop eating it, Brittany. Very nice. If you don't subscribe to my channel as yet, please to like and subscribe. And if I have anything else you want me to cook for you, drop it down in my comments. I will cook it for you. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to get some vinegar into some water. 2 corks of vinegar. I'm going to get a cork of lemon juice. And the second thing you're going to do, you're going to clean up your pigtail. And then you're going to put it into the lemon water and the vinegar to soak, to take away the rawness from it before you go and cook it. So it's good to be clean up your pigtail. You see it's amount of fat that you remove from it. So I'm going to put it into the lemon and the vinegar water to be soaked for 15 minutes to remove the rawness from it. So this is the way it looks when I finish to be soak it in the vinegar water and the lemon. So I'm going to go ahead now and cut it up. You can cut it up with whatever size you want to cut it up with. And guys, if you use a chopper, don't put your hand there. So I finished to be cut up my pigtail, and this is the way it looks when I finish to be cut it up. I'm going to go now and wash it 2 times. Remember, I put it into the lemon water and the vinegar water to be soaked to remove the rawness from the pigtail. So now I'm going to go and wash it. And the water, what I'm going to cook it into the first water. I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes into the first water. And the longer you cook your pigtail, the more the salt removed from the pigtail. And the second water, after you cook it for 20 minutes, you're going to remove that water completely from the pigtail, strain it off. Then you're going to put a fresh water for it to be cooked for 10 minutes. And you're going So the pigtail is finished cooked, and it's time to show you how to make the sauce for the pigtail. The first thing I'm going to get in is a cup of orange juice. I'm going to put in the ketchup. This is a cup of ketchup. I'm going to put in about 4 teaspoons of honey. One tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to put in some powder jerk seasoning. A teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Tablespoon of Chinese sauce. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of ginger juice. I'm going to put in half cup of jerk sauce. I'm going to put in a small amount of pickled pepper. I'm going to mix all of it until it's mixed right out. I'm going to get in the pigtail. I'm going to stir and cook for 10 minutes, and then I get it under the oven to be finished. So I'm going to put a small amount of cayenne pepper inside of it. The next 2 minutes I'm going to remove it and to be put it into the oven to be finished cook. So it's time for it to go into the oven to be finished. So it's time to put it into the oven for 15 minutes.